Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sir, look here. Yeah, yeah. Madhu sir, look here. Madhu sir, here. Thank you, thank you. Here, yeah, look here.
I'm there. Ma'am.
Are we good? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Just
Thank
one
you.
second, sir. Get your bag and your outfit and okay.
सोलो करने के
One second, huh? नहीं, नहीं,
बाइट ले ले तू.
Sir, your left. अरे राम बहुत पतले दिख रहे थे फोटो फोटो फोटो
Guys, roll.
एक से बाजू हटना
Roll.
एक से क्या हो रहा है चल रही है
Roll.
हाँ हाँ
हो गया?
मैम लुक लुक
Guys, roll.
देखिए ये दोनों अपने ये दोनों अपने अपने क्षेत्र में इतने अच्छे कलाकार हैं और सारे लोग इन लोगों को जानते हैं. विक्रम घोष मैं बहुत कमाली से जानता हूँ, जो भी तुम लोग जानते जो भी तुम लोग जानता हूँ, और हरिहरन जी को भी मैं बहुत कमाली से. तो इनका एक मिलाप होना एक तरह का इंटरेस्टिंग कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया, एक गज़ल का और एक फ्यूजन म्यूजिक क्लासिकल में बजाने वाले विक्रम घोष. तो इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन वुड बी यूनिक, सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट एल्बम. और मैंने एक दो गाने वैसे भी सुन चुका हूँ और आई एम वेरी 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 इम्प्रेस. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू देम एंड होप दिस एल्बम बिकम अ बिग सक्सेस. थैंक यू. Valentine's Day is everyone loves it. Of course, all the young people go for it, and I used to do it when I was in college. And what an apt day to have an album released on a Valentine's Day, and this album has a romantic feel to it, and therefore it is a perfect day to launch this album. All right, thank you.
यार ओली
Madhur, what you would like to say for Mr. Hariharan sir, although the new album is going to come, which is of 5 different songs.
I'm a great fan of Hariharan sir and great fan of Vikram da. Is absolutely. I'm very happy to be over here. My friend Gaurang Jalan and Vikram is here. We just last year only we got a national award for a film Abhijatrik. We were part of that movie, and today first album launch by Hariharan. So my best wishes to the entire team. Vikram is a maestro, and the kind of work he has done is brilliant. Been a great fan of him for many years.
Thank you.
And I'm happy a film which I was associated, he was part of that music. And I'm very happy today for my best wishes to the entire team who got different kind of subjects and different kind of thoughts in the songs. That's really great. And my best wishes to the entire team for such a beautiful, such a lovely album.
As Vikram sir has given us the surprise, so year 23 has been started. What will be the new surprise from your side to the audience?
मेरा भी टाइम है, मेरा अभी my year, this 2022 has year been good. The National Award,
Right.
then Bubbly Bouncer and India Lockdown
India Lockdown.
has been done very well at the OTT platform. So I've just taken a break now, 3-4 months. I'll be writing my scripts and then slowly I'll be announcing the film. So right now the night belongs to Vikram, Gaurang and the entire team.
So what you would like to say?
So you've
Well,
been
it's-
doing national award-winning films. So now, how does it feel moving on to another space with music and joining Vikram Da?
Well, frankly speaking, I regard music as an extension of the celluloid medium, and I feel that we want to create new sounds which are eternal, and this is going to be a great opportunity for us to work together with the maestros, and extremely happy that Mumbai is the first platform where we're going to launch Man Marzi tonight, and with the good wishes of Madhur Bhai and Vikram, I'm sure we're going to great guns. And at Eternal Sounds, all of us are very happy that we're launching it here today.
Madhurji, one question, that they are bringing back original sounds, replacing synthesizers with real music. So how does it feel? Would you like them to compose for you, because it will give you a real different tone?
Definitely, he's master, I said. There's no two way about it, and I think he's done a commendable job. And it's high time he should enter the Hindi industry, what we call Bollywood. And I think so. It's just the beginning. I think this album is just a beginning. So it's a long way to go to be over here and compose some great tracks.
Vikram Da, last word.
Well, Eternal Sounds is a company which has been formed by the four of us, Gaurang Bhai, myself, Utsav Parekh and Mayank Jalan. And this was formed to bring original music back to the forefront, moving away from covers, doing original music. And this is the first project that we are launching from this company. It's called Man Marzi, and it features Hariharanji's vocals with my music. So we're really happy, and this is a fantastic launch function today. And bless us. We need all your blessings, and Madhur Bhai is here. We are very, very close, and he was the producer of Avijatrik, including Gaurang Bhai, two of them together. So we've already worked together in a sense,
Absolutely.
and looking forward to a lot more. Thank you.
So the what magic we created in 2022,
Yes.
and hope we continue in 2023 also.
Absolutely. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
मधु सर विजुअल प्ले कर
One
Yeah,
picture.
अच्छा। आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ।
सर थोड़ा सा इधर
बच्चा, अटक।
Yeah, look here. Yeah. Madhu sir,
उसको हटाना है।
look here. Madhu sir, here.
देखो फाइट करना है।
हाँ ये। ओके ये। Thank you.
Thank you.
Good. क्या मिलेगा फोटो? फोटो मिलेगा। लेकिन इसका मालूम नहीं।
नीचे देना है, तो ऊपर कौन देना है? Just literally show this face. ये तो फाइट ना, दादा, हम
Join me, na. I'll talk about your music.
What you would like to say for Vikram Da as well as Hariharan sir? They are like coming up with this so amazing music.
This is our second album together.
Yes. So Vikram Da is an old friend, a colleague, a maestro. I don't call him. I never take his name. I say maestro. You know? Yeah. So and so is Hariharanji. So I'm a big admirer of the music. They're a big inspiration. This is their second album together. Hopefully in the third album they'll feature me somewhere.
But of course,
है ना?
natural progression.
So no, I'm a huge fan of their music and I'm very happy to be here this evening to support this venture.
Thank you. Thanks for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rolling.
You would like to say excited. What are the surprises which you are going to get today?
Well, I'm very happy that the guests have come because I was giving interview the whole day, so I went to just refresh and came. I just came now, and I'm looking forward to the evening. A lot of artists, friends, and personal friends will be coming today, and we'll have a great evening today.
Anything else you would like to say to all the audience?
Happy Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. God bless.
सर कुछ अपने अंदाज में गुनगुना के कर दीजिए लोग।
हाँ?
सर अपने अंदाज में कुछ गुनगुना के लोगों को
अरे इतना शोर है।
Sir, your left.
Yeah.
अरे यार ये सब सबका पूछने का हमारे
So what you would like to say for Hari sir? Although we have seen बहुत सारे गाने आप लोगों के एक साथ, लेकिन एक बार फिर हम विक्रम दा के साथ एक नया कुछ दे रहे हैं।
तो मैं एक चीज़ कहूँगा कि हरी साहब और विक्रम जी जो उनका जो जोड़ी है बहुत अलग है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। लास्ट टाइम भी उनके एल्बम पे लॉन्च पे हम लोग थे और उनके जो गाने निकले थे बहुत अलग सा एक फील था। तो मुझे लगता है कि मन मर्जी जो अब उनका नया एल्बम है उसमें भी वही ऐसी कुछ अलग बात होगी। सो आई विश देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
आप दोनों को एक साथ कोई नए गुनगुनाते पे देखेंगे?
वो तो हो सकता है। तो कॉलोनियल कज़न्स तो अभी हमारा कॉन्सर्ट हुआ है काला घोड़ा में, तो पूरा हाउसफुल था, बहुत अमेजिंग ऑडियंस था। तो मुझे लगता है कि आगे जाके लोगों को पसंद है तो डेफिनेटली हम लोग करेंगे।
As the year 23 has been started, what will be the surprises from your side?
सरप्राइजेस फ्रॉम माय साइड, एक तो जैसे काव्या जोन्स है, आर्टिस्ट मेरी है मेरे लेबल में, लेकिन आप देखेंगे तो एक जो नया आर्टिस्ट कैसे बनता है, उसके जब नेक्स्ट गाने आएंगे तो वो एक स्पेशल मुझे लगता है हाईलाइट होगा। और उसके अलावा मैं अपने नए गाने रिलीज़ कर रहा हूँ, तो ऑलरेडी 4 गाने रिलीज़ हुए हैं और चारों गाने सर्टिफाइड हिट है। तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है गाने। और काव्या का भी गाना जो तू है मेरा बहुत चला है। सो आई थिंक योर नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग इज़ गोइंग टू मेक सम हलचल।
What do you like to say
मेरे लिए काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग है क्योंकि मैं पहले एल्बम के लॉन्च पे भी थी और जैसे सर ने कहा कि बहुत अलग था और ये भी मन मर्जी भी बहुत अलग होने वाला है। सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड एंड व्हाट अ बेटर डे फॉर देम टू लॉन्च इट एज इट्स वैलेंटाइंस डे टुडे। तो आज हम सब लव को सेलिब्रेट करें एंड व्हाट बेटर टू बी सेलिब्रेटिंग लव विद म्यूज़िक। सो आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हरी सर और विक्रम सर के लॉन्च पे मैं आई हूँ एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हियर द सॉन्ग्स एंड एन्जॉय माई सेल्फ।
As today it is a Valentine Day, to sing something for our viewers.
What should I sing? Sanida Pa.
Is that even love related?
But it has to be love related, ना?
Come on, sing तेरे बिना लव।
ओके, जो मेरा एक गाना है तेरे बिना लव, वो अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है लोगों को, तो वो गाऊंगा। आपने कभी सुना होगा, नहीं सुना है तो जाके सुनिएगा। तेरे बिना लव don't mean thing, तेरे बिना love and I don't wanna say, तुझको मेरा दिल चाहे तो मैं क्या करूं, दिल तो लेके तू चली, ढूंढूं तुझे हर गली, तेरे बिना love कैसी है ये जिंदगी, तेरे लिए सारा जहां, ये ज़मीं आसमां मेरी जान।
Thank you so much. I'd like to wish them best because they are the best people. I am a huge fan of Hari ji and of course Vikram ji. I also look up to Hari ji क्योंकि उनको सुनते हुए बचपन से बड़े हुए हैं. And I am looking forward for मन मर्जी. आज वैलेंटाइंस डे है. I am hoping कि आज कुछ बहुत आज हमारा वैलेंटाइंस डे मन जाएगा ऐसा लग रहा है.
What do you like to special sing the Valentine Day to our audience?
So this is for Hari ji because I am a die-hard fan of Hari ji. काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता तेरे कांधे पे मेरा सर होता काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. Ma'am, Hariharan and Vikram Ghosh का नया song आ रहा है. इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? What do you like to say in the competition?
ये जोड़ी तो कमाल ही करती है हमेशा की तरह और इस बार भी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि फिर से दोनों साथ आ रहे हैं. विक्रम घोष एंड हरिहरन जी का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है पीपल लव इट एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू हियर द सॉन्ग एंड लुक एट द वीडियो. सो बस वेट हो रहा है कि देखेंगे. आज तो लॉन्च पार्टी में आए हैं तो मज़ा आ रहा है. ज़रूर मिलेगा जी. ऑलरेडी मेरे ख्याल से वैसे तो ये फैब में ही होना चाहिए था बट इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग. इट्स कमिंग आउट मे बी इन अप्रैल तो आपको मिलेगा देखने को. नहीं अभी नहीं. तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे धड़कन से तेज दौड़ूं सपनों से आगे. अब जान लूट जाए ये जहाँ छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा. थैंक यू.
She's younger than me, but I don't think she'll still be able to sing.
Very happy to be here. We have launched this company called Eternal Sounds, the four of us, myself, Maestro Vikram Ghosh, and two of our other partners who are not here today, Utsav Parekh and Mayank Jalan. So, with the blessings of Aluvalu Amma, who's here, we want to launch our first album in Mumbai, and this is called Man Marzi. Basically, Eternal Sounds has been formed to create a new legacy in music. We all understand that what sells may not always be good music, quote unquote. However, it is our endeavor to make sure that we will bring you that kind of sounds which are going to be eternal, which are going to be long lasting, and which are going to create an impact in your hearts and minds. So, without wasting much time, I would like to hand over the proceedings to Vikram Bhai, who will explain how Man Marzi was created and how Man Marzi was recorded with Hariharan ji. But before that, I also want to make another pleasant announcement. It is the birthday of Mrs. Hariharan ji, Lalita ji. So let us clap for her. Ma'am, a very happy birthday to you. Thank you for celebrating it with us and on this occasion. So it's very special to us that you're celebrating it here. And we're going to cut a cake for that, but after the launch of the album. So over to you, Karan.
Thanks, Gaurang. Well, ladies and gentlemen, friends and journalists and fellow musicians, it's always a challenge to go forward with music which you believe in, and that challenge is always made easier by people who believe. So the three partners, other than me of course, have really come forward and invested not only money, but they've invested their emotions into this company. So I'm very, very happy that Eternal Sounds has happened. And the first project being Man Marzi with Hariji. What can be better than this? Well, Hariji and I, as many of you know, we started our collaboration together with an album called Ishq 2.5 years back. This is our second collaboration. Every single time, for me, it's a learning experience with him. It is so satisfying. It is so rich in the course, in the musical journey that I share with him during the course of a project. That every single time, I was just telling Karan, Hariji's son, that whenever I come to meet Hariji or I'm hanging with Hariji, music or not music, I think my entire sensibility becomes a bit sharpened, and I feel really happy. He really makes me happy. He has an amazing quality of chilling, making it easy, making it bahut chalo masti karte hain. And we do hope that you like this album. It has 5 songs and ranging from a qawwali to a blues song to a geet to a Sufi fusion number and what have you. I'm not going to talk too much about it because we're going to launch the album and the first song today, which is literally called the Qawwali. But we're also going to play you all the songs from the album. The rest of the songs are not released yet, so of course all the cameras will be on, but try not to share. Whatever. But I'll hand over the mic to Hariji now. Hariji, an honor once again.
Hi everybody. Good evening. I just felt that we have just released Ishq.
Yeah, that's exactly.
And we were happy about its success. So we had a party in Calcutta, and the next day to the party, Bikram invites me to his studio. Hariji, chaliye na, kuch gana banaya hu, sunana hai. I'm doing some project. I said, fine, chalte hain. And he played me 5, 6, 7 songs. मैं बोला अच्छा है, what is this beautiful work? नहीं, क्या project है? तो बोले हरिहरन and Bikram. So, we just finished one and then he said these are the songs, and in about 3 months time I kind of got to dub them, and that's the energy this man has got. It's amazing, and before we know it's ready, and then we went to I went to Calcutta and we did 3 days of real shooting, right? And we did all the 5 songs. So it's soul talk. It's a very melodic album with a lot of genres. And what I like about this album is Bikram has exploited my voice differently. He's brought out the timbre of my voice. So, and it has been produced very well. And there are 2 of our sound engineers who worked here, Simon and Bijan. They were a part of this album from Bombay, and then the other people from Rajiv Pandey ji, aiye. He's written the lyrics.
Rajiv wrote 2 of the songs.
Yeah. beautiful songs, even Ishq is so without further delay, we'll play the first song. Okay, sure.
After Ishq, it's Valentine's Day. The hands of this trio. Can we all clap, please? तालियों में बहुत कंजूसी हो रही है. Whether the world is with you or not, the only one who's always with you is your mother. And whenever we begin anything with our mother's blessings, we will always succeed and reach the skies. Thank you, Amma, for being there. Can we please have Lalita ji here? The birthday girl is here. She's a day, uncle. Sorry, it is tomorrow.
कुछ भी हो जाए इश्क में ही हम जी लेंगे नशा तेरी बदली नशा तेरा झुमका नशीली है नजर नशा तेरा ठुमका बेकरार मेरे दिल का इकरार तेरे दिल का मिला जो ये जमाना चलता ही रह गया इश्क हुआ मिसरी सा दर्द ये चहका कस्तूरी सा ये गम महका सांसें कभी कभी सी तन्हाई हल्का हल्का तन्हाई हल्का हल्का देखो ना सोचो ना रोको ना टोको ना पास हम तो अब सबसे कह देंगे इश्क ऐलान कर देंगे चाहे फिर कुछ भी हो जाए इश्क ही में हम जी लेंगे हम तो अब सबसे कह देंगे